Create your product file on the Excel sheet received from our team. Examine the layout in the Sample tab. Organise your product file in a 4-column layout as per sample file received, and please include the following headers: product name, counting unit, department and unit costing price. Complete your own file in the To Be Completed tab. Add as many products as relevant. Save the file. Delete the Sample tab, save the file again, and please email it to our customer success team.